今期視頻係2018年嘅聖誕嘅時候，我同美國加利福尼亞嘅女仔啦，中國嘅一個女生啦，愛爾蘭嘅小弟弟啦，仲有個德國女仔一齊玩嘅一日。咁我哋首先就去咗呢個聖 Kitts 嘅沙灘啦，日頭就去咗啦。咁咧日頭去咗就睇下海，睇下人哋玩呢啲水上極限活動，好刺激嘅，現場氣氛比較好，有機會都可以去玩。其實呢啲泰國芭提雅嗰啲都經常有，即係好多海灘邊都有。This video was taken on 2018 Christmas in Melbourne. We go to the St. Kitts beach and go back to city to have the fried chicken.
You don't want to eat this one?
Oh, this is.
Buy one get one free, but you don't want the spicy.
Oh, maybe I will try this one.
Do you feel spicy?
Oh, I don't think not yet.
Not yet. I think it's the sweet taste of the spicy.
对。
Very delicious. This is our Christmas
dinner.
Not, I think it's not spicy.
Little, just little. Less spicy. Right.
You can try.
I can try.
Yeah, you can try.
You can also try.
You try first. Do you feel spicy or salt or sweet?
So far, so good.
So far so good.
Oh, a bit spicy. Yeah.
It's the same one.
Oh.
You can eat
Sure.
because they give us two more.
Sure.
Do you feel spicy for the beef?
No spicy.
Salt?
Maybe a little spicy. Little salt.
Okay. Do you love the chicken?
Oh yeah, I love it.
Very valuable. And Christmas more. We eat how many today?
That's a good
20.
20. We are 20. 24. 24.
24.
Yeah, we eat 24 today. 中医的考试，然后
Aren't you doing the
我
boomerang?
们吃了24串，我们吃了24串，比在中國的地攤賣的還要便宜。聖誕快樂 ，Merry Christmas。
Merry Christmas.
OK。
食完呢個雞翼之後呢，我哋又搭翻車去聖 Kitts 就為咗睇企鵝。
Spot.
Maybe many inside. I think it's many inside.
Yeah, many.
You can hear.
Yeah. There we go.
I think the pink one like the duck.
Some are just staying in, some will be still out. Yeah, there's heaps of space on these rocks. Like these rocks go, so they're right in there. A lot of them just do camera shots. No. Oh, I'd be very surprised. I haven't seen any in a while, but that's all kind of in the last couple of months. So November was kind of when.
呢個聖誕節呢，我哋係由中午玩到夜晚10點幾先返 hostel 嘅。呢個都係我哋以前喺 Melbourne YHA hostel 一齊住嘅識嘅朋友。咁我哋仲有下一集係元旦嘅，仲有個日本妹嘅。不過好似啲畫質唔係咁好，我就唔好意思放上嚟啦。